Okay. Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and what do I have today? Well, I have a visitor here, and they brought something kind of cool, really neat. I seen it at the SEMA show. Now I get to see it in the front of my store. What is it? Well, before we get started, if you have questions, that is my telephone number. So come on over here. We have Dee behind the camera. Just got promoted to the system manager, by the way. And we have this nice Jeep Gladiator, and hopefully I'm going to say this, Tesser, am I saying that? 4x4. Now, what's interesting about this? This is a cover that you can have the best of both worlds. And what I mean by that is, it is a manual cover that you can convert to electric cover. That's right. You don't have to buy a whole nother cover. You can start this with the manual, and then later on buy the parts you need to convert this to electric. Now, this has got features that I have not seen anywhere else. Like, for example, you got these racks on here, terrific, use them all the time. But let's say you're delivering something, or like me, I put some big old tires in the back, and they're in the way. Well, these are designed that you can basically, let me slide that up, and they slide on over so they're out of the way. How's that for a neat setup here? I haven't seen that before. So you know me, I like seeing the new stuff. This is new. Now this again is a converted cover here. Now again, you get your T-slots here. Now this starts off as a manual. Now there's one thing they haven't totally converted over from manual, so I had to actually hold this as I open it until they finish the conversion, but I think we'll get the idea. Another great feature, this has an LED light here, which to me, more lights the better. It looks good, but more importantly, it is a good safety feature. So let's go ahead and take a look here. And right now, if I remember, I have to kind of hold this until they do the full conversion. And there we go. Now, we've been playing with it for a while now, and I probably killed the battery of the Jeep. So, because I've been sitting here just playing with this thing. But it actually goes a little quicker, but probably after 25 times of showing the whole staff and everything, it's going a little slower because of the battery. But we better start this up soon before the battery goes. But again, this is a great feature. Look at that LED light. I love that. You know, it kind of reminds me of the old TV show Knight Rider. You know, you got that little red there. I don't know if it went back and forth, it'd be a little better. But this is great. Again, they make it for a lot of different vehicles we have in the Jeep Gladiator today, and it's a new product here. So again, if you like what you see, you can give us a call. We can go ahead and check on availability of this and see about getting it done for you. And as you know from previous videos, we do a lot of electric covers. So this, you know, it's a new product for us. We won't have any problems doing it because we do this all the time. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is the new Tesser 4x4 electric/manual cover, and you can buy the racks that slide sideways on this. And again, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.